Brad Paisley, Little Moments, okay? Forget the first time that I heard that pretty mouth say that dirty word. And I can't even remember now what she backed my truck into. But she covered her mouth and her face got red and she just looked so darn cute that I couldn't even act like I was mad. Good impression. I was live for little moments like that. That's like just last year on my birthday. I can't do the country accent. Lost all track of time and burnt the cake. Yeah. Every smoke detector in the house was going off. She was just about to cry until I took her in my arms. And I tried not to let her see me laugh. Yeah, I'm left for little moments like that. You know she's not perfect, but she tries so hard for me. And I thank God that she isn't, 'cause how boring would that be? It's a sudden imperfection, it's a sudden change of plans. When she misreads the directions, we're lost for holding hands. Yeah, I look for little moments like that. Alright, that's his playthrough, blah blah blah. I knew I could play with the cards, I got two, you know? And she's laying on my shoulder, on the sofa in the dark. And about the time she falls asleep, so does my right arm. And I want so bad to move it, 'cause it's tingling and it's numb. It looks so much like an angel, but I don't want to wake her up. Yeah, I live for little moments where she fills my heart again, doesn't even know it. Yeah, yeah, I live for little moments like that. We started doing fuck ups that time.